Alright, so the first thing we're going to be learning is how to cut a video. Alright, so as you can see right here, we have this video of mine.
If you're not getting clients as a video editor, it's because you're making this one mistake that 99%.
Okay, it has not been cut or anything. Okay, so first thing you need to do is choose your perfect clip. Like there are so many takes that it took.
Mistake that 99%. It's because you're making this one mistake that 99%. It's because you're making this one mistake that 99%.
So I really like this clip, so I just cut it.
Because you're making this. If you're not getting clients as a video editor, it's because
Cut.
clients as a video editor. It's because you're making this one mistake that 99%. It's because you're making this.
So I'm gonna cut it. Yeah.
Getting clients as a video editor. It's because you're making this one mistake that 99% of as a video editor. It's because you're making this one mistake that
As you can see, there's this like cuts. You can see it, and there are two ways you can address this.
10% of video editors makes. So let me put you on game.
So I'm gonna cut this. There are two ways you can do this. You can click on this and go to the extract audio, and then you extract the audio, shift it. This is called a J cut, whereby the audio of the next video comes, as you can see, is just like a J. It makes the transition very easy and effective. So now that I've pushed it, we're going to also cut this part until it aligns with this. Okay.
The video edit because you're making this one mistake that 9
Just helps it to flow naturally into the next clip. Now, if we want to make it a little bit more seamless, you can just put like
if you're not getting clients as a video editor, you're making this one mistake.
to go to your text and just type this, and then you put it in the eyes here. So now you know the eye line of this, and then you see that the eye line has shifted from there to this. So now we're gonna put this here.
Video edit because you're making this one mistake then
As you can see, it's way more seamless and
as a video edit because you're making this one mistake then
you don't even know that there is a cut there. You cannot even tell that there is actually a cut there, because now we're putting it, zooming it in, and then we zoomed it already, and then we use the J cuts and all that. So this is how to cut a video professionally and how to cut a video very nice. And using that, the text I just used, it's very good to check the eye level. Once you check the eye level, you want the eye placement in every single clip, every single video to be the same. So
if you're not getting clients as a video edit because it's as a video edit because you're making this one mistake that 99% of video editors make.
all right, so this is how to cut a video professionally. So when next you are cutting your videos, use this method.